अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। स्टार्ट कर लो सर।
आगे बच्चे पूरा।
हाँ
कोर्स दो सर।
दे रहा हूँ सर।
8 बजे से अभी आना है ना।
हाँ अभी मैं रख दे तो मैसेज ऑलरेडी रख दिया था मैं ग्रुप में, फिर सर एक बार रख रहा हूँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। इज द स्क्रीन विजिबल बेटा?
Yes, sir.
चलो, come to the next topic बेटा। न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, दैट इज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ योर स्प्रिंग फोर्स। स्प्रिंग आप लोग ने देखा होगा, यू माइट हैव बीन सीन द स्प्रिंग। रिकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शन में जा रहा है बेटा ये?
जी सर।
ओके चलो। सो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ योर स्प्रिंग फोर्स में राइट नाउ सी एवरीवन, यू माइट हैव बीन सीन द स्प्रिंग पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशन बेटा। स्प्रिंग कैसा होता है याद है? जैसे स्कूल डेज में हम लोग स्प्रिंग के फोन क्या बोलते हैं, पेन्स यूज करते थे। वी यूज्ड टू हैव द स्प्रिंग लाइक दिस इन द गिवन कंडीशन, और इसमें रिफिल भरी हुई रहती थी। when you used to press from the back side, this spring used to either get compressed or it may be get extended right now, isn't it? So spring force is nothing but I can say it is restoring force, यानी प्रेस करे तो एक फोर्स एक डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा, फिर वापस कर दे तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा। so I can say that spring force is nothing but what? Restoring force part of relation right now. Is it clear? Okay, if I apply the force acting on this one to pull it, okay, so if a spring is stretched right now, see, if a spring is stretched, if a spring is stretched by distance x, by distance मान के चलो x, from its equilibrium position, from its equilibrium position, from its equilibrium position, क्या होता कोई बता सकता है क्या? देखो मैंने जो स्प्रिंग ऊपर ड्रॉ की है, दिस इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन, ये नेचुरल लेंथ है इसका, मान के चलो n, isn't it? अब आप इसको एक्सटेंड करें राइट नाउ, सो यू हैव बीन पुलिंग दिस वन इन द फ्रंट डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस। आपने कुछ फोर्स लगाया तो स्प्रिंग हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड बाय अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ योर हाउ मच, से फॉर एग्जांपल बाय योर x, this has been extended by your x. So when you are applying the force by this one f in the positive direction, spring will exert the force acting in this one opposite direction. So this is your F spring force in the opposite direction. So spring force is always opposite to your applied force. Okay, spring force is always in the direction opposite to your applied force part of relation. So this spring force is directly proportional to your extension. Removing this proportionality constant, we write this F spring force is equals to some constant K into your X, where K is known as of what, beta? K is known as of your spring constant. K is known as of your spring constant. Okay, and L is your natural length, beta. Here, L is equals to your natural length. L is nothing but of your natural length, or length at your equilibrium position, or length at your equilibrium position part of relation. So if you are applying the force in the positive x-axis, spring force will be in the negative x-axis part of relation. Is it clear for everyone? So spring force का formula क्या है अपने पास? Spring force is equals to your spring force is directly proportional to your extension. What is x here, beta? X is nothing but change in length of the spring. X is nothing but what? Change in length of your spring. Change in length of your spring part of relation. Clear hai? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
If the spring is compressed, then what happened? Second point. If the spring is compressed, if spring is compressed, मतलब ये देखो, ये इसका ओरिजिनल लेंथ था, सॉरी कुछ कनेक्शन फ्लक्चुएशन हो गया था. स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है ना सभी को?
Yes, sir.
ओके चलो, तो यहां पर क्या हो रहा है देखो, स्प्रिंग इज राइट नाउ कंप्रेस्ड. स्प्रिंग इज राइट नाउ कंप्रेस हो गया राइट नाउ इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन से. सो इट हैज बीन कंप्रेस्ड बाय पोजीशन ऑफ योर हाउ मच x, यानी स्प्रिंग कौन सी डायरेक्शन में जाएगी? स्प्रिंग फोर्स इज इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो ये हो गया स्प्रिंग फोर्स. कंप्रेस करने के लिए फोर्स ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगा रहे हो, अपने अप्लाइड फोर्स इज लाइक दिस. दिस इज योर एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड स्प्रिंग फोर्स इज इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. इसका जो कांस्टेंट आता है उसको हम लोग स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट बोलते हैं. तो हियर F स्प्रिंग फोर्स is equals to your K into your X part of relation. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? If it is been compressed or if it is extend, spring force is always equal to how much, beta? K into your X. X will represent either the compression or it will represent your extension part of relation. ये था इनिशियली नेचुरल लेंथ कितना था L, ये हो गया X, तो ये बनेगा कितना भी राइट नाउ फॉर मी L माइनस ऑफ योर X पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशन. क्लियर है सभी को? चलो लेट अस ट्राई टू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बेटा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, कीप ए स्टार मार्क फॉर ए massless स्प्रिंग बेटा. फॉर ये massless spring, for a massless spring, the spring force is FSP is same at both ends. Exactly similar to massless string. Massless string में tension at each and every point will be the same ना बेटा. Here also the same condition right now. If this is your spring right now, You are applying one force here right now, F1, and you are applying one more force here right now. This one is your F2. So it will get extension right now here from equilibrium position say, and here also it will try to go from here to here, some extension right now. So when you are pulling by two opposite forces, extension मान के चलो इसके अंदर यहाँ से यहाँ तक हो गया x1, and from here it is right now for me your x2. So spring force कौन सी डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा, कोई बता सकता है क्या right now? Same amount of spring force लगा रहा हूँ, that is nothing but F2. So spring force will be in the opposite direction for this one. So this will be equal to your K into your x1. And here also spring force is in the opposite direction. So F spring force will be equal to K into your x2. And here this one is your F1 is equals to F spring is equals to K into your s2. In both the conditions, spring force will be equal to the same beta. So total extension will be equal to how much beta? So total extension will be equal to spring force if I am taking. So that will be equal to your K into your x part of relation. That is equals to K into your x1 plus of your x2. Clear? So this will be the spring force. Clear? Eh? See, both of them are in opposite direction, na beta. F spring force of the first one is equals to F spring force of the opposite. So minus of minus, that will become for me plus. It is K into x1 plus K into your x2. So F spring force will become how much for me? K into your x1 plus of your x2 part of relation. Is that point clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
If the spring is a massless, then the spring force will be same at both the ends. यहाँ पर जितना spring force लगेगा, यहाँ पर भी उतना ही spring force लगेगा. So it is how much right now? Your spring force is K into x2, and it is your K into your x1 part of a relation. So net spring force acting on the system will be equal to how much for me? K into your x, where x will be equal to your x1 plus of your x2. Is that clear? A question ले लेते हैं, we'll get a more clarity. Like say for example, find the acceleration. Find the acceleration of 3 kg mass. Find the acceleration of 3 kg mass when acceleration of 2 kg mass, acceleration of 2 kg mass is 2 meter per second square, as shown in figure. See the figure and give me the answer carefully. Don't be in hurry bari. मान के चलो ये अपना horizontal surface है, यहाँ पर अपने पास एक block है, and here also there is one block. Okay, and these two are connected by your spring like this. This one is your 2 kg block, this one is your 3 kg block, and this is your horizontal surface. And you are applying a force acting on this one as some 10 Newton. So find the acceleration of 3 kg mass when acceleration of the 2 kg mass is given for me as how much? So this one is moving with an acceleration of A is equals to 2 meter per second square. So what will be the acceleration of your 3 kg block? Iska acceleration kitna rahega? See the question carefully, everyone. You are applying a force of how much better? 10 Newton on your 2 kg. On your this one, we are applying a force of your 10 Newton. इसके ऊपर कितना force लग रहा है? 10 Newton का force लग रहा है basically. Okay. On this one, we are applying 10 Newton of your force. Okay. So it is a massless spring. So यहाँ पर spring force कौन सा direction में लगेगा? इस direction. इसके direction में opposite. Just जैसे how do you write like a tension for the string? उसी तरह से spring force will be equal and opposite because he has nothing. He has not given any information related to the mass part of relation for the mass of the spring. That is the reason we are assuming it to be your massless part of relation. Okay. Now see for 3 kg blocks and as well as of your 10 kg blocks part of relation. On 2 kg block, what are the forces acting? Can me tell me on 2 kg block? See, here I'm drawing the diagram like this. This is your 2 kg block. इसके ऊपर एक force लग रहा है यहाँ पर 10 Newton, and one force is acting on the opposite direction of your spring force, and it is moving with an acceleration A is equals to 2 meter per second square. As it is moving in the front direction, so it is 10 minus of your F spring force will be equal to 2 into your acceleration, that is nothing but 2. So it is a 10 minus of your spring force will be equal to your 4. Yani spring force will be equal to how much beta? 6. Okay. Then similarly for your 3 kg block. Now see, for 3 kg block, the spring force is how much right now? In which direction? Front direction is right now there. So यहाँ पर एक spring force लग रहा है basically. So this is your F spring force. And it is moving with an acceleration. We need to calculate that one. So how do you write the relation right now here? Force due to the spring force must be equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 3. Acceleration we need to calculate. Spring force is equals to 6. So A is equals to how much for me? 2 meter per second square. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? समझ में आया सभी को? फिर से एक बार देखो बेटा. If you are not clear, you please let me know. I'll help you out. Find the acceleration of your 3 kg block mass when acceleration of the 2 kg mass is 2 meter per second square as shown in the figure. On 2 kg, the force is already given how much for me? 10 Newton. So just make an FBD individually. On 2 kg, there is a force of 10 Newton. Accelerating in the front direction 2 meter per second square. Spring force is in the opposite direction. For a massless spring, what is the condition I told you beta? For a massless spring, whenever we are talking about your massless spring part relation, for a massless spring, spring force is your same at both ends. It will be the same at both ends, exactly similar to your what? Massless spring part of relation. Like a massless spring का problems करते हैं ना, उसी तरह से अपने इसको भी कर लेना है. ठीक है, चलो I'll give you one more example. You will get more clarity. Say मान के चलो a mass m is connected to a spring. Is connected to a spring constant capital K as shown. First of all, find the extension of the spring. The extension of the spring when block is at equilibrium position. What do you mean by equilibrium beta? What do you mean by equilibrium position? Net force acting on the system must be equal to 0, isn't it? So this is a given diagram for me. And here there is a spring connected like this. This is your block. Okay, I'm giving you the options right now. For the first option is mg by your 2k. Second option is your mg by your k. Third option is right now your 2 mg by your k. And fourth option is your 3 by 2 mg by your k. Spring constant इसका मान के चलो k. चलो जल्दी से ट्राई करो. पानी लेके पानी ले. A mass m is connected to a spring constant k as shown in the figure. Find the extension of the spring when the block is at your equilibrium position. Find the extension of the spring when the block is at your equilibrium position, right? See here, the moment it is hanging, you know that due to the weight of this mass of the spring, this will get extended better. तो अब ये क्या हो जाएगा basically? ये ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा basically. So it will try to get extend right now. तो equilibrium position से extend हो जाएगा. कितना extend हो जाएगा? X. मान के चलो initial length है. So it is getting extended right now. Say for example, this is your spring. ये initial position था. Right now it has been extended यहाँ तक और यहाँ तक आ गया. So this extension is right now how much for me? X. And weight of this body is acting in which direction beta? Downward direction. This is of your mg. So this mg must be equal to the spring force in the upward direction. Because of this weight, the spring force is acting in the upward direction. So spring force must be equal to your mg. Spring force will be equal to how much for me? K into extension, that is your x. That is equals to your m into g. So find the extension is asking. X will be the extension. So x will be equal to your mg divided by your k. आया सभी को? So x value is equal to how much for me? mg divided by your k. So ये हो गया first option. Clear है? ये हैंग करने के बाद क्या हो रहा है? When you attach the weight, see अगर weight attach नहीं करोगे, so this is your natural length of the spring. Now when you attach the weight, because of this weight, the spring is getting extended. How much it is getting extended? मान के चलो x. So that weight must be equal to your how much? Spring force acting in the upward direction. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? चलो और एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. You'll get more clarity. एक बार फिर से एक बार देख लो बेटा डायग्राम. कोई डाउट रहा है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. खाली बाहर ला. See this question. Find extension of spring in equilibrium position. In equilibrium position. Okay, I'll give the options for this one. mg by 2k. Second one is mg by your k. Third one is 2mg by your k. And fourth one is 3mg divided by 2 into your k. Diagram ऐसा कुछ दे रखा है बेटा. So here there is a spring. This spring is connected to a pulley. And this pulley is connected to one spring right now here. And this one is fixed here. And the spring from here, there is a block connected. And there is a block of mass here. चलो ट्राई करो. और इसका स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट दे रखा है प्रॉब्लम में. मान के चलो के. इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन में इस स्प्रिंग को पुल्ली लगाने से पहले वो बंद करके ना को लगा अंदर अंदर लगा दो. थोड़ी देर के बाद ऑन करो. चलो बेटा. Before connecting this pulley beta, this thing is a natural length. जैसे ही आपने पुल्ली को कनेक्ट कर दिया, right now what happens? The spring will get extended. So how much it is getting extended? मान के चलो मैं यहाँ से ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. Same condition, isn't it? So because of that weight, the spring is right now coming in the downward direction. Right now it is coming here, and this is your pulley, and here this point will be the fixed only. There is no change in the position of this one, and this block will come down more here, right? So this is the weight of the body here. All right, the forces acting on this body beta. One is the weight of this body, m into g in the downward direction. This is the tension in the spring, that is nothing but t. This one is also your t, and here also this one is t, and this one is also your t, and here this will become for me 2t, and there is a spring force in this one, that is nothing but of your F spring force. So F of your spring force will be equal to 2 times of your t, isn't it? Now T is equals to how much better from this one? T is equals to your mg in equilibrium. So that is equals to 2 into your mg. Now spring force will be equal to how much better? It has been extended by how much? This is actual length of the spring. Now it has been come to here. So this is the extension in the spring. So extension of the spring is in which direction right now? Opposite direction. So that will be equal to how much for me better? K into your x is equals to 2 mg. So x will be equal to how much for me? 2 times of your mg divided by your k. So this will be the extension in the spring. So x is equals to 2 mg by k. Third option will be the answer. Okay. See, because of this pulley and weight, जैसे आपने weight लगा दिया, this pulley is getting down. The pulley is getting down means the spring is getting extended. How much? Say for example, x. Spring force is in opposite direction. tension in the string is how much right now? 2T, because this is T and this is T. This is 2T. So spring force is equal to 2T. So Kx is equal to 2 times of mg. So X is equal to your 2 mg by your K part of relation. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
समझ में
Yeah.
आया सर.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
इसमें बहुत एप्लीकेशन है बेटा स्प्रिंग्स पर कंडीशन में, because we generally have a regularly question on the spring. So the masses are in motion. The reading of the spring balance is the reading of spring balance is. Okay. See, this is a given condition. And here there is a spring like this. And this spring is connected to a adverse machine, जिसको हम लोग पुल्ली बोलते हैं 2 block system के अंदर. So this one is connected to 1 block here बेटा, and here this one is connected to your another block. मान के चलो this one is your 2 kg and this one is nothing but of your 1 kg. Okay, so I'll give the options for this one. So it is more than 3 kg, number 2 less than 3 kg, and third one is equal to 3 kg, and fourth one is none. Chalo try karo jaldi se. So this is like an adverse machine beta. Weight of this body is right now 2g in the downward direction. So here it is a tension T, here it is a tension T, here it is a tension T, and here it is a tension T. And weight of this body is nothing but 1g in the downward direction. तो इसमें टेंशन कितना आ जाएगा जल्दी से बताओ right now. So tension acting on this body will be equal to how much right now? For tension in the string will be equal to how much? For me, can you tell me? So T will be equal to your formula था अपने पास 2 times of your m1 m2 into g divided by your m1 plus of your m2. Equations लिख के भी simplify कर सकते हो, मैंने आप लोग already करा चुका हूँ basically. तो आप उसमें से आप acceleration लग सकते हो basically, directly करा सकते हो वैसा. तो टेंशन निकल जाएगा उसमें से, isn't it? या आपको एक्सेलरेशन निकालना तो एक्सेलरेशन कैसे निकालोगे? कोई बता सकता है क्या? ये बॉडी नीचे मूव हो रही है विद एन एक्सेलरेशन ये, तो ऑब्वियसली दिस बॉडी विल मूव इन द सेम एक्सेलरेशन ये. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच फॉर मी 2g माइनस ऑफ t इज इक्वल्स टू 2 into a. दिस बॉडी इज मूविंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो ये हो जाएगा t माइनस ये हो जाएगा g इज इक्वल्स टू योर 1 into your a पार्ट रिफ्लेक्शन. दोनों को सिंपलीफाई करो, देखो कितना आ रहा है बेसिकली, जल्दी से देखो कितना आ रहा. AT और AT चले गया, तो ये 2g minus of g, this will be equal to your g is equals to 2 plus 1, that will be equal to your 3. So A is equals to how much I will be getting? G by 3. So acceleration आ गया मेरे पास g by 3. So once I know the acceleration, so I can calculate the spring force acting on that one. So spring force कितना हो जाएगा, कोई बता सकता है क्या? This is T, this is T. So here it will be your 2T. Here it is also your 2T. Spring force in this one is nothing but of your F spring force. So F of your spring force कितना बन जाएगा? So spring force will be equal to 2 times of your tension. So it is 2 into tension is already how much for me? 2 times of your m1 m2 into g divided by your m1 plus of your m2. यानी ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास 4 into your m1 m2 into your g divided by your m1 plus of your m2. So it is equals to 4. m1 is nothing but 1. This one is 2 into g value g लिख रहा हूँ by your 1 plus 2. This will become for me 3. तो ये कितना बन जाएगा बताओ जल्दी से. 4 2 is 8. So it is 8g by your 3. So spring force acting on this one is nothing but of your 8 into G by your 3 part relation. और G की वैल्यू अगर मैं 9.8 ले रहा हूँ बेसिकली, तो कितना आ रहा है देखो अप्रोक्सीमेटली, या 8/3 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी, 2.66 G वैल्यू हो जाएगी. So spring force is equal to how much will be over 2.66 G. यानी स्प्रिंग फोर्स का जो ऑप्शंस दे रखा है, मोर देन 3 kg नहीं आ रहा, लेसर देन 3 kg मे बी, equal to your 3 kg not possible. So what will be the answer for me? Less than 2 kg, less than 3 kg. क्योंकि आंसर कितना आ रहा मेरे पास देखो यहाँ पर. So if I am simplifying it, I am getting this one. Spring force is equals to your 2.66 into your G. That means it should be lesser than of your 3 kg. क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
फिर से एक बार देख लो, कुछ पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. दिस इज एन एडवर्स मेशिंग प्रिंसिपल बेटा. इसमें टेंशन निकालने का फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बता चुका हूं. दिस इज अ कॉमन टेंशन फॉर्मूला राइट नाउ. T is equal to 2m1 m2 into G by m1 plus m2. If this is T, this is T, this will become for me 2T. In the spring force will be equal to how much for me? 2T. So I written the formula. Spring force is equal to 2 times of T. T का फॉर्मूला डाल दिया, सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, we'll get the answer for that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See the next question better. Two blocks, very good question again. Two blocks are connected. Two blocks are connected by a spring. Two blocks are connected by a spring. The combination is suspended. The combination is suspended at rest from a string attached to the ceiling. Okay, the string breaks suddenly. The string breaks suddenly. very important model. बेटा अच्छी तरह से समझने की कोशिश करो. नहीं आ रहा तो प्लीज आस्क मी, आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू आउट. ऑलरेडी नीट में ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका है. फाइंड द एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ A and B. A and B just after the string is cut. Just after the string is cut. Okay, so this is a diagram. देखो, this is a string beta, ceiling, and here there is a block of mass 2m. इन दोनों के बीच में एक स्प्रिंग है, and here there is one more block of mass em. Okay, I'll give the options for this one. It is G by 2 comma G. Second one is 3G by 2 comma G, and third one is G by 2 comma 0, and fourth one is 3G by 2 comma 0. अब क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह से समझो and try to analyze first what exactly is given for me. We have got two blocks which have been connected by a spring, 2m and as well as of your 3m. देखो 2m and as well as of your m are connected by a spring part affiliation. Okay, and the combination is suspended at rest from the string attached to the ceiling. This is a string which is attached to the ceiling. The string breaks right now. So when the string is right now breaking, that means the moment you are breaking the string right now, ये खंची लेके आपने काट दिया इसको बेसिकली स्ट्रिंग, तो क्या हो जाएगा? So this total system will fall down. So when it is fall down, what is an acceleration of 2m and what is the acceleration of your m? मान के चलो this is a block A and this is your block B. Okay, so find the acceleration of A and B. Acceleration of A कितना हो जाएगा, acceleration of the B कितना हो जाएगा? कट करने से पहले क्या क्या रहता है बताओ जल्दी से. कट करने से पहले आया किसी को? आप लोग हेल्प करना बेटा मुझे. बिफोर कटिंग का सिचुएशन बताओ। बिफोर कटिंग, ओके, बिफोर कटिंग क्या क्या हो सकता है बताओ जल्दी से। ये स्ट्रिंग है, ये ब्लॉक है 2m, और ये स्प्रिंग है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर हो गया m। तो इस पे फोर्सेस बताओ जल्दी से, कौन कौन बताएगा। देखो, इसका एक स्प्रिंग, इसका मास हो जाएगा mg डाउनवर्ड, इसका स्प्रिंग फोर्स हो जाएगा ऊपर मासलेस से, तो इसका भी एक स्प्रिंग फोर्स हो जाएगा, ये स्प्रिंग फोर्स इन द डाउनवर्ड। इसका वेट नीचे एक्ट करेगा, दैट इज नथिंग बट 2mg इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, और इसमें भी एक टेंशन T ऐड करेगा, तो यहाँ पर भी एक टेंशन T ऐड करेगा। दिस इज योर A एंड दिस इज योर B। ओके, इन इक्विलिब्रियम बिफोर कटिंग, दैट इज इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन। इन इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन 2m पे क्या क्या फोर्सेस है देखो जल्दी से। एक तो वेट नीचे ऐड कर रहा है, दैट इज नथिंग बट 2mg। स्प्रिंग फोर्स भी नीचे ऐड कर रहा है, दैट इज योर F स्प्रिंग फोर्स, एंड टेंशन इज एक्टिंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, दैट इज T। दिस बॉडी इज राइट नाउ मूविंग इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो एक्सेलरेशन कितना है इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन में, 0, isn't it? So यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा बताओ जल्दी से। T will be equal to your spring force plus of your 2 times of your mg, ठीक है ना। दिस इज माय इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ फॉर ब्लॉक, दिस इज फॉर ब्लॉक A। फॉर ब्लॉक B देखो क्या क्या हो जाएगा। फॉर ब्लॉक B, for block B, what are the forces? This is your mass m, weight of the body is mg in the downward direction, spring force is in the upward direction, this is your F spring force. So F spring force will be equal to how much beta? mg. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. So from 192, क्या हो जाएगा, F spring लेके जाके यहाँ पर डाल दो तो टेंशन आ जाएगा मुझे। तो कितना आ रहा है देखो, T is equals to your how much per me, mg plus of your 2mg, so that will be equal to 3 times of your mg. So tension in the string before cutting is how much for me, 3 times of your mg. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Now you cut the string. So when you cut this one right now, so when string is cut, when string is cut, isn't it? So when string cut हो रहा तो देखो क्या क्या हो जाएगा। Right now for your 2m, इस पे no doubt weight of the body is right now how much, 2mg in the downward direction, spring force will be in the downward direction, and it starts falling down with an acceleration. इसमें टेंशन कितना हो जाएगा, टेंशन इन द स्ट्रिंग will become how much for me, T will be equal to 0, because स्ट्रिंग को आप लोग ने कट कर दिया। So this is moving in the downward direction, so acceleration A is equal to how much for me, net pulling force divided by total mass, divided by your total mass. Now tell me what is the net pulling force here beta, Fs plus of your 2mg divided by your 2 into your m. So spring force has already how much we got right now, mg, plus this one is nothing but of your 2mg divided by your 2m. So this one is your 3 times of your mg divided by your 2m. So this m gets cancelled, so I'm getting this one as of your 3g divided by 2. So this is the acceleration of your A. Acceleration of your A is equal to how much for me, 3g. आया सभी को? Is this step clear for everyone? चलो।
Yes, sir.
For block B,
Yes, sir.
for block B, if I'm writing, see for block B, what are the forces right now? This is your M. No doubt when you have been cutted for the given condition right now, the F net force is acting on the body is right now for me your mg in the downward direction. Spring force will be right jagah basically because you're not cutting the spring, so spring force is in the downward direction, this is the acceleration. So A is equal to net pulling force is how much right now better for me, spring force is right now will be trying to pull this body in the upward direction, so this is your F spring force minus of your mg divided by total mass is m. Spring force is how much for me, mg minus of your mg divided by your m. So this will become for me how much, 0. So acceleration of your block B will become how much for me, 0, because F spring force and mg are same now, because already we got the spring force. F spring force is how much for me, mg. F spring force is always equals to your mg, so that is equal right now for this one. This is mg, this is mg, so net force is 0, so acceleration will also will become 0. Is it clear for everyone? So what is the answer I can write for this one? So 3g by 2 and 0 will be the answer. Clear है सभी को?
Yes, sir. सर एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
मैं भेजता हूँ बेटा, नोट्स आपको भेज देता हूँ. अरे लास्ट क्लास की मैंने नोट्स भेजा है आप लोग को.
देख रहे सर.
अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन है बेटा स्प्रिंग का, आप लोगों को कंपलसरी प्रैक्टिस करना है इसको. आज ही स्प्रिंग
Okay.
कॉन्सेप्ट कंप्लीट कर लो बेटा, इट विल हेल्प यू आउट इन ए ग्रेट वे. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो एक बार जल्दी से. Two blocks A and B, two blocks A and B of same mass M, attached with a light string, are suspended by a spring as shown. Find acceleration of block. Find acceleration of block A and B. Block A and B just after the string is cut. Just after the string is cut. After the string is cut. Okay. I'll give the options even for this one. You try to do it out, beta. G by 2, comma G. Next one is G, comma G. And third one is G by 2, comma G by 2. And fourth one is G, comma 0. The diagram kuch aisa hai basically. So this is your string right now here. So this is your spring. And this spring is connected to one block of mass of your M. This is connected by the string. And this is your another block of mass M. This is A and this one is, say for example, B. Chalo try karo sabhi log. Pehla equilibrium. So first try to take the equilibrium condition. In equilibrium condition क्या क्या forces होते हैं वो देखो पहली बार. So read the question once again. Two blocks A and B of same mass are been attached with a light strings are being suspended by a spring as shown in the figure. Find the what is asking? Find the acceleration of the block A just after the string is being cut. First one is before string is cut. Just after is cut, ना तो before string is cut. That means in equilibrium position. In equilibrium position. Now tell me in equilibrium position, what are the forces which are been acting for block A? So this is your block A. Block A पे forces देखो. This is your A. So ये पर हो गया weight of this body mg in the downward direction, tension in the string in the downward direction, spring force in the upward direction. तो मैं यहाँ पर लिख सकता हूँ F spring force will be equal to your mg plus of your T. ठीक है. For block B, अगर मैं block B के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, so this is your block B. Block B is here, so it is connected to the string. तो ऊपर यहाँ पर एक tension होगा, that is T. And the weight of the body will be equal to your mg. So for this one, tension T will be equal to your mg. So this is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 2, isn't it? So from 1 and 2, I can get the spring force. From 1 and 2, F spring force will be equal to your mg plus of your mg. So that will become for me 2 times of your mg. So spring force is how much for me, beta? 2 times of your mg. Okay. So this one was before cutting the string. before string was cutted, before string is cut, in equilibrium position के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Next one is after string is cutted, after string is cut, then what happens to it? So when the string is cut right now, that means here is right now the position. So this is your spring, this is your block of mass m, and this is your block of mass of your m. This is a, and this is your b, and there is a string in this one right now. So this one is cutted right now like this. So when the string cuts, so for block b, for block b, weight of the body is mg. So tension in this one is no tension, so tension will be equal to 0. So it is going down with an acceleration of your e. So acceleration a is equals to f net by your total mass. F net is how much right now? mg divided by mass is nothing but m. Mm gets cancelled. So acceleration a will be equal to g. That means acceleration of the b will be equal to how much for me? Acceleration of the b will be equal to your e. Then a will be also moving down. So what is an acceleration of your e? For block a, तो फिर क्या क्या होता है बेटा? For block a, there is your mg. This is your spring force. This is the weight of the body mg. So tension in this one abhi nahi raha. Tension will become for me how much? 0. So when you cut the right now, spring force is acting in the upward direction. So acceleration कैसे निकालोगे आप? Acceleration A is equals to spring force minus of your mg divided by total mass. So that is equals to spring force. How much already I got? 2 mg. This will be equal to your 2 mg minus of mg divided by m. 2 mg minus of your mg is how much for me? Mg. So this will become for me how much? Acceleration of your A is also equal to your g. Acceleration of your A is also equal to your A. In which direction? Upward direction. And this one is in the downward direction. So what I can write the answers for this one better. So for both of them, the acceleration due to gravity is how much for me? G part of relation. Clear है सभी को एक question?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. पहले जैसे जना.
हाँ फाइल जैसा है, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है ज्यादा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ बेटा. आपको नीट में पूछा गया था 2017 में. ट्राई करो, अगर आया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो जस्ट आस्किंग ट्राई टू हेल्प करो. आप आराम से आप कर सकते हो. देखने के साथ सर इतना इजी है बोलोगे आप लोग. 2 blocks A and B of masses 3m and m, 3m and m respectively are connected by massless and inextensible string and inextensible string. The whole system is suspended. The whole system is suspended by a massless spring as shown. The magnitude of accelerations, the magnitude of acceleration of A and B immediately after the string is cut. After the string is cut. First option is B comma G by 3. Second option is B by 3 comma G. Fourth option is G comma G, and this is third option. And fourth option is G by 3 comma G by 3. ठीक है ना, ऑप्शन कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, डायग्राम बेटा ऐसा कुछ था बेसिकली। यहाँ पर एक स्प्रिंग थी और यहाँ पर एक ब्लॉक है, दैट इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर ए, और यहाँ पर और एक ब्लॉक है, दैट इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर बी। ए का मास है 3m और इसका मास है m। कर लोगे ना, कर लोगे?
यस सर।
कोई नहीं बोल रहा, सेम है प्रीवियस के सर का। चाहिए देखो, प्रीवियस जो कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था मैंने आपको, यहाँ पर m और m के जगह क्या लोगे आप, खाली 3m और m लेके ट्राई करना, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, ट्राई करके देखो, आया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आया तो इन द टुमारो सेशन ऑफ ए क्लास यू प्लीज लेट मी नो, आई विल ट्राई टू डू इट आउट। ठीक है,
यस सर।
ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बेटा। आसिफ,
हाँ सर। जी सर।